When your master plan involves fake nurse scrubs and stuffing $1,000 of lingerie into a Foot Locker bag, you need to at least act natural. But on a Tuesday afternoon at the Boynton Beach Mall, one shoplifter's sheer panic turns a sloppy retail theft into a multi-felony arrest. She targets Victoria's Secret and Foot Locker, blatantly loading up her bags.
I walked down that way, but God knows what store she probably jumped into, or she probably ran out the mall or whatever. She see me on the phone, and when she see me on the phone, she started kind of speed walking a little bit faster towards that way. I tried to call a finish line to see if they had seen, to come kind of outside them too to see, but he was like, I couldn't catch her on time. So.
What, you remember what she was wearing?
Yeah, she had a blue pants, nurse scrub. So blue nurse scrub with a white shirt.
And did you tell dispatch that?
Yeah,
okay.
I gave them all the description already. She had a Foot Locker bag, so she came originally to exchange something. She was looking at these shirts here in the front. I had already seen her, so I came up to her, hey, how are you? And then she's like, oh, I'm just looking. And then I was like, okay. And I seen her looking for the shirt, and I was like, oh, what size do you need? And she's like, oh, a medium. She's like, but I can help myself. She's like, I can do it by myself. And then I was like, you're already making it so obvious for yourself. But I'm like, okay. So I was like, oh, okay. But no, this is my job, whatever. So I grabbed the stack from her, and I'm like, oh, I'm going to check the size for you. And she's like, okay, well, I'm looking for a medium. And she walked away from me. And I didn't have a medium, so I was like, oh, I have a large or a small. Which one do you prefer? She's like, and she was ignoring me the whole time. She wasn't talking. I was like, hello. I was like, a large.
Other things on her mind.
She's like, I'm like, a large? Do you want a large? Do you want a large? And she just kept ignoring me. And then my other sales associate that's here right now, she was super nice. And she's like, hi, how are you? How's your day? How's your this? And I was like, did I offend you? Do you feel okay? And she's like, completely ignoring me, whatever. So I already knew what she was doing. So she grabbed the shirt, she had it in her hand. I turned the corner to help another customer. And I turned back around. The shirt is not in her hand and it's not in the pile. So I know she walked that way, but
no, just one that you know.
Yeah, just one shirt.
What's the value?
I know for sure. Probably $40 probably. Yeah. But she's I have camera footages for a while of her. She's done this multiple times in the mall.
Today she's wearing a mask?
Yeah, she has the COVID mask, just a mask. She has her hair in braids. She has it in a bun. Again, nurse scrub, blue pants.
Black female, white female?
Black female. She's a little heavier. She had a Marshall's bag with her. A Foot Locker bag. Oh, look, that's her right there. That's her right there.
Instead of blending in, her frantic rummaging and complete refusal to answer basic customer service questions immediately flags her to the staff. Realizing the employees are onto her, she completely abandons the plan, dumps the stolen goods in a random storefront, and tries to speedwalk her way out of the mall.
Yeah.
What store?
Look.
Let's go back and figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah, wait a minute.
This belongs to her.
Victoria's Secrets? No,
These are not ours.
no.
She got hit somewhere and she's going back.
And you started to throw this stuff in?
That's well.
It's not ours.
What are you doing?
I'm not.
You want to be put in handcuffs?
No.
Okay, so chill.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no reason to take it to another level because we're going to get all this figured out.
Right.
Is there anything in this bag?
No.
Okay. Give me those bags.
This my purse.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm telling you to give me those bags.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Thank you. Appreciate it. Give me all this here. Give me all that. Put your hands behind you.
What I didn't even do nothing.
Do you have video in here?
No.
You don't have any video? But that's not
It's not ours.
You didn't see her do that, but she came when she walked in. She came to this area.
Yeah, I'm walking there. I'm picking my shirt. She came here. I got the sound because I thought that something fell down and I came here.
The police backtrack her path and recover the dumped bags, which are absolutely packed with high-end merchandise still wrapped in security tags.
She's got stuff with security bands on it.
Yeah, that bag's full of Victoria's Secret stuff. I mean, full.
Okay.
She dumped it in here. I didn't see anything for Foot Locker in here, so she might still have it on.
Tango 1765.
It's right there, my bad.
Your phone's in here.
Can I call my sister and tell them that they left me? When they seen you, when they seen y'all. They left. They was down by Macy's.
Yeah, I'll get that. Do you think your ID's in your wallet in there?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Copy, Lawrence and Minor.
Where do you think it is?
It's right over there.
This
Right
side?
there.
Alpha 951.
Right there. Yeah, under that.
Oh,
You got it.
Yeah.
Let's go right to the door.
In front of Whitburn Pines.
Think you got any warrants?
No, I don't got one.
On 3?
Okay, Mike.
Last time you were arrested?
Recently.
Recently?
Yeah, about a month ago.
Have you dealt with that one yet?
Nope.
Totaling all this, it's going to be probably a retail felony.
Right.
So, but we're not going to leave your family hanging.
Okay.
All right?
I just want her to know in ample enough for time, you know, because you could grab my cell phone, I could just tell her real quick.
Yeah.
It's people there.
While detained, she demands to call her mother. Instead of keeping her mouth shut, she puts the call on speakerphone right in front of the officers and openly broadcasts that her getaway driver saw the police and abandoned her at the mall.
Mom, I know. Yeah, she called me or whatever. I know you're not feeling good or whatever. I caught a ride with Deidre them to the. I caught a ride with Deidre them to the mall or whatever at the Boynton Beach Mall. The police talking to you on the speakerphone or whatever. So I just want you to keep my baby or whatever for me, because the girl in Foot Locker had called. You on speakerphone? The girl in Foot Locker had called, but I know Deidre them gone. You know, when they seen the police, they ran. So. They left me stuck out here. So, you on speakerphone. And, just, get my baby. You know the girl I be with.
Pull us down.
Oh, yeah, thank you. You know the girl that I be with, or whatever. So, if you get a chance or whatever, just go by and check on my baby. I was at the, Boynton Beach Mall. So, that's where they're gonna take me from. I was at Foot Locker and Victoria's Secret. Mama, you done told me. You on speakerphone. Yeah, you on speakerphone. If I would have just went and did what I needed to do today or this week, and you know I was trying to do it. You know I was. Can I just tell her something? I don't want her. Mom, I know you. I know you sick. I know you sick.
Go ahead.
You know?
Possum inside residence at 367 Newport Avenue.
You know?
You probably be out. You'll probably see a judge in the morning.
45.
But if I'm already out, I'm going. Yeah.
That might be a problem.
Yeah. Yes. No, he just was telling me.
She's pulling
No,
up there.
you can't come to here for the stuff. Oh, it's over at Foot Locker.
All right,
No,
as long as your baby's okay.
Yeah, I'm just
gonna take care of it.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know what was going on. So Deidre,
You'll be able to talk to her again.
Okay, Deidre them had just left me, so I just want you to know they got the they got all the keys, the car, and everything. So they gone. You already know how that shit go, Mom. So that's not. Yeah. You're gonna have to get it from I can't get it my phone, so you're gonna have to call see if you call damn, I was trying to tell you, call Big Head Mike and see if he could give you the number to the Deidre or whatever. But he said that I'll be able to make another phone call once I get down to the station.
Yeah, as long as it's concerning your baby, getting it back to your mom. All right.
Mom.
You'll call again. Okay.
The store managers tally up the recovered inventory, and the total easily clears the felony threshold. But the stolen merchandise is only the beginning of her problems.
Report it.
Wow.
She was just here?
about to
She
report
was
it,
just
yeah.
here.
She's right there.
We were just about to report it.
Did you see her?
Yep, she's
Yeah.
got a mask on, she had a
got a
watch
mask
bag.
Could you just come out and take a look at her, see if the person that we're with... Hey, Doug, can you step aside? Doug, can you step aside?
Yep, Ross bag,
Yeah.
Foot Locker bag, yep. Thank you. I was just going to report, we were just checking the doors where she was. I went back there. She made some wild motion and ran out of the store looking for her sister.
Do you
Oh
have?
my God.
Well, this is good. This is good. So,
It is good, but
do you have a place where you can just go through this, itemize it, and then?
yeah, we're gonna make a whole
Give us a
report, and
product?
every
Okay.
single SKU will be recorded
Very good.
down to
Okay.
the very dollar.
And you do want to prosecute, I'm assuming.
Yeah, let me
Yeah,
get my
yeah.
store manager.
I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of items in here, but
Okay.
as far as valuation, you could just give us an itemized list.
Yes, we will. You know, a whole bunch of panties?
Oh my God. We were just looking
There's
through
a
the
lot.
drawers to see what. Oh my God.
Okay.
Alpha 14,
Y'all notice her?
Yeah, we noticed that
And I
she
went
took
back and
panties.
she
We
ran
just went
out of
back
here.
to look in the drawer and we saw something was missing, but we didn't know that she took a beauty as well. Because Katie saw her.
She had a shopping bag also.
So we're gonna email our AP person, but we'll for sure need a case number.
Okay. Can
Yes.
you give me a valuation or at least an approximation of the value?
Yeah, she was off. I went back there. She got frazzled.
But
And she had the bag and just beelined it after
she had
you
a
were-
shopping bag also that she was putting stuff in addition.
So there was
and then
another
when I
one.
went back there and I wasn't leaving, I kept eyes
She
on
had
her.
a green bag.
She dropped her shopping bag and just ran out.
Okay.
I
And you
didn't
saw
know
her
she took
filling it up with.
No,
with
I walked back there. Her back was to me. I saw her bent over with her bag, and she looked and just kind of scrambled and quickly was like, "Oh, they don't have the size." And after
Or you were
she-
suspecting her?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay.
After she left, she went back, checked the drawer, saw
there were
sections
big empty
missing,
sections.
and then I went back, and we don't ever leave our sections like that. Like we have people stealing here sometimes, but not like this.
Well, it was before your time, I'm sure, but we used to have like groups of people come in here and just start loading up bags.
We still get two of them. There's two men that do it,
Yeah,
and they take the bras, and then they leave.
I'm sure it'll be just under the felony amount, but she probably has prior convictions, so that'll help.
Well, we haven't gotten to the very sexy parts, so these are nothing. This is just pocket change. Have to be at a grand. Is that what it has to be at?
No, I believe the threshold is $750 now.
Okay.
Gotta double check on that.
All right.
But again, she probably has prior convictions. They're still tallying up over there.
I'm gonna move over to the bench.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna give them the case number. The total is drum roll.
Let's see here.
We think it's the same girl.
You think so?
Because she had a face mask and the exact same description.
Same
of like she had a
description of the
Walmart
last
bag
one.
and she was putting stuff in the Walmart bag.
Okay.
But
And
Kate
this
was
is-
here on that same day.
Case number
She wore a face
4914.
mask. Same thing. She said, I'm pretty sure that's her.
Okay. Cool.
And that's the grand total.
For today.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Cool. Here is the case number. The arresting officer.
Another Victoria's Secret bag.
Another one.
Yeah.
Okay. Possibly another prior incident related to her too from the 20s. So I'll tally this up and then get a grand total. Right now we're at drum roll 1,085 so far.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah.
No way. She's ready to
32
check out.
right at Bethesda. They're in the ER lobby.
What you got over there?
That makes sense because all them surfaces was empty.
Did she have a green bag with her? She had a dark green bag. This,
It's not that one?
no, it had words on it,
Wearing a black shirt, black pants.
I think.
Well, that's all we got so far. Maybe in the other
She had
place.
this one,
Tally
but then
that
she
one
had
up.
like a darker, like kind of like a lighter, kind of like,
Like a plastic bag or a shopping
yeah,
bag?
like a plastic, kind of like that, and it
Yeah.
had words on it, black words.
Let me go check this place next door, and I'll be back. If you could just tally that
Yeah,
up.
I will definitely.
Do you need this to like reopen this, or I'll just hold on to this?
4914.
10-4. Thank you. Hi. We're just gonna look around one more time, see if she dumped anything else.
Have to.
So it's your first day? First day, you see it.
Not like that.
We'll double check.
All right. Well, I thought he did too.
Q81. Q81. I provided the caller with advice. You can close it out and on.
Yeah, that's where we found the first bag.
Oh, okay. Let's double check.
All right, so just we just got to get the total from Victoria's Secret. So it's just 2 stores right now.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, good.
I'm sure you're having a lovely day today.
Usually we don't catch them like this.
I was surprised. When I walked in, I was like, I already had a feeling because we recognized her.
5475
She ran up the second bag now.
Yep.
Yeah.
I've already rung the first.
Yeah, that was over 1,000. So, and then I didn't realize because there was like a towel over it. I didn't realize there was other stuff. It was all yours.
So it's coming up as 6, but it should be coming up as regular price, right?
Oh,
But you just go with the sale price.
Shortly after we opened at 11 o'clock, I came back to grab an iPad in the office, and I noticed a customer that I had not seen come in. I dropped off the iPad and came back this direction. Her back was to me. She was in front of this panty table, and she was fumbling in the drawers with her bags, and I made my presence known. Excuse me, may I help you? And she dropped a few things and set a few things down and pretended to be on the phone, whether she was or not. You know, I'm looking for this size, then looking through some other drawers. I came right up, I stood right up next to her. We're kind of taught that if you're suspicious, then you're supposed to give excellent customer service and make your presence known. So I was offering to help her with sizes and styles, and I think she knew I was on to her. She set some stuff down. I walked over to the register and kept watching. And then she kind of left in a hurry, said, I'm going to get my sister. I left my bag there, and she ran out the store.
She ran out the store with the bags that.
Yeah.
Okay, and that was this area here. I'm just
Yeah.
documenting this area here.
Yeah, she was kind of bent over like this when I came up from behind. She was kind of rummaging, and then she dropped a few things and
Right.
saw me. And
Okay. And she made no attempt to pay for the items, right?
no, sir, she did not.
And then afterwards, the woman that we had made contact with, was that the same woman that you had seen in the store?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Do you swear and affirm everything you've told me is the truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God,
Okay.
I swear.
Yes.
Officers run her record and discover she is already on active probation. They also find her carrying a controlled substance without a prescription. By failing the absolute basics of blending in, she upgrades a retail theft into a stack of heavy felony charges, a drug possession charge, and a guaranteed probation violation.